Nah, bro, don't call me. Hey, you lucky you crashed your motherfucking car, cause I would've got your ass on the track too.
Wow.
Hey, I got in.
Why would you say that?
I'm just saying, I said you from an embarrassment on your YouTube.
Oh, you did?
I did, bro. I left Ian ass in the line.
That's Ian.
Huh?
That's Ian.
Fucking 12 o'clock boys. Anyway, I left you at the line too. You been too busy trying to hold the camera and shit.
Kelly? Come on, man. You know the fuck. Yeah. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Bitch, I got out of school and I put down the ball and I picked up.
You'll see my shit. She's probably gonna get some action today. So y'all can, I'm trying to come for not for broad and anything. Top five. I got the low by myself. All of the Mac niggas stay with a strap. All of that cap in the back, he no better. I got the SD charging the web. These niggas lame and they soft like some feathers. Boy, you look stupid, you think you clever. My nigga should've whoever. Fucking your bitch, she say I feel better. How you gon' beat me? I ain't even slide. Smoking this straight and I call it that time. Stay with that G-Tay, you know I stay fly. Ain't you with me, girl, I might change your life. Shaking that ball, I play with Kyrie.
What's up, man? You wanna put your car on here?
Nah, don't put my car on.
You don't wanna shout out nothing?
Nah, it's dirty right now.
I don't mean that. Everybody know it's pollen season.
Whenever you ready. I just put Primrose and made my complete on it.
That's
Hey, bitch, you ain't handicap.
You wanna see where I'm leading towards my route?
It's a bunch of 392s here.
Now look, is this back up?
I probably gonna be helping that.
We got back up.
oh yeah, he is.
Oh, he ain't gonna rap it. I'm just saying, well,
she's showing me because I asked about it
this
first.
is exclusive. This is exclusive.
Because I'm her favorite, goddamn.
Yes.
Wow, I'm the reason people watch Slime Pack videos.
I'm her favorite.
They wait to see me say some dumb ass shit and do something dumb.
I'm
It's been a
her
minute, so I ain't did one of these in the video.
You know what? He too big for all that shit. Let me see.
This is on the Camaro, but
Winter time coming again, they gonna need something to hold on to.
what you think?
I'm gonna keep quiet.
It's like,
You ain't gotta worry about me.
Hey man, who people
hold on, let me explain. What's up?
What up, Slum?
What's up with your videos?
E dub with Scat. I just got my car back good. You know, I ain't gonna tell nobody, but I hit a deer.
No, a deer hit you. You posted a deer hit you.
It hit me,
You
yeah.
wanna show them what you did in your car?
A little something.
It's completely different from last time.
It ain't no more black. It ain't no more gray and red no more. I gotta change it up every summer. Next thing I do is gonna be stupid. Believe it. I changed it up on that gray and that red. I just put the black camo on it. Black camo. Wrap my wheels from red to black.
You did it or you had somebody else to do it?
Me and Frank did the wrap with the camo.
I like the side skirts. I was just about to order
those.
some.
I ordered those by accident. I was ordering some other ones, but then those came and I was like, okay.
It makes the car look fuller. I'm trying to find me a front splitter for them, but it's like ain't nobody really making them yet. They just really customize and making them.
I had went to Columbia. It was a guy. He had a hellcat Widebody, a black one. He had carbon fiber. He had a carbon fiber front splitter, sides, spoiler, and the diffuser at the back.
It's like I seen a bunch of people custom making it, but it ain't no like exact website that's made them yet. But that look good.
A buddy of mine, he got a Widebody. He was looking for a Widebody for his.
Yeah, so I left my other wicker bill on the other car. What? Yeah.
I like them thick. Widebody. I just like my body, that's why I
What you say?
Fuck your wide body, man. I want one, dog. I want one, dog, but fuck that shit.
What are you talking about? Shit, hello. I did not expect him to get out there.
You got the rest of it.
This nigga lead back in the goddamn seat like
Yeah, fuck your wide body.
it's like
Fuck your wide body. I don't like it.
Hey!
Hell no. About time, I'm gonna get ready to kick him. Him and go.
You want to shout out something?
Huh?
You want to shout out your Instagram or something?
My Instagram ain't car related.
It ain't car related.
But if y'all into reptiles though and shit, y'all can follow me at Priceless Pythons LLC on IG. I try some snakes and shit.
Reptiles. He into reptiles.
You got a nigga for every goddamn thing in this goddamn car club. You need lights? Hit this nigga. You need a python out of nowhere? Hit this nigga. You need a car wrap? Hit a couple.
Black as hell.
Nah, I'm gonna be petty. Me too.
Hey, just make money.
What up?
What up? You see that? You see you in that video?
Which one?
I posted it yesterday.
You did? I
Yeah.
ain't watching. Got a whole bunch of bullshit.
What's up, man? Say something.
I ain't watching yet. I'm trying to get active. I'm just swinging,
Yeah, he always trying to get active.
doing all the legal shit. For real.
You ain't know Michael Crash is wild over there. Begging to get pulled the fuck over.
Listen, he want to be a YouTuber, but he don't want to talk on the camera.
I ain't got no YouTube.
Yes, you do.
Listen, man. Go check my YouTube. I posted my first video. 392 in.
I'm gonna just put it up there on the screen right there beside you. You ain't got nothing else you want to shout out? When you gonna post your next video?
I don't know. I got some ideas. I'm about to redo my car too. Rather.
Good.
Hey, Mopar gang, y'all already know I'm out here smoothing 345. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, he been practicing that.
Hey, you done got my business now.
I see the favorite dude in Fayetteville. Y'all come check me out, Crown Dr. Fayetteville. Going up all 2021.
Y'all getting some more wide bodies coming in?
No, two.
Two?
Two.
How soon? Cause 2 people asking me about some.
We got a black one, a FA green one. Oh, we got 3. FA green and a blue one.
Coming in soon.
Coming in soon, real soon. 28.
Hit the trade. No.
Hit the boat with the yacht, got him holding his stomach. Out to the hood with the blick on me. Said, whole